What if the work, before first the meeting, just ran itself? Every leader sits on a small city of systems. Some of it talks to each other, most of it doesn't. What holds it together isn't integration, it's permission. I only see what I'm allowed to see, and that's the whole game. Step 1 was Copilot. I ask, it answers. Sharp, reactive, excellent. Step 2 was Cowork. I hand it a job, it spins up a queue while I get on with something else. Step 3 is Scout. It runs on my laptop inside my permissions, autonomous. It just runs. This is me.OS meeting org.OS. My defaults and judgment plugged into the CRM, the org, email, chat. And where there's no clean connection, it drives the actual screen the same way I would. No integration project required. So I gave it a real week, 20 account managers to find, brief, propose a time, and track without nagging anyone into the sea. But here's the one rule I won't break. Everything passes through a human. Nothing gets served until I say go. The confidence is free. The judgment isn't. The effort didn't disappear. It moved up front into rules and judgment. I stopped cooking every meal and wrote a recipe. me.OS learned how I operate team. OS made it shared, org. OS reaches across the whole organization safely inside your permissions. And the saved hours went back into the one thing I can't automate, human time. OS to org, OS. It runs inside your permissions, you own the send. So what's the first flow you'd hand over?